How do you say trust me in Spanish? Confía en mí. How do you say I don't want in Spanish? No quiero. How do you say I'm sorry in Spanish? Lo siento. How do you say I promise in Spanish? Lo prometo. How do you say welcome in Spanish? Bienvenido. How do you say address in Spanish? Dirección. How do you say money in Spanish? Dinero. How many questions did you get right?